Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making homemade blueberry preserves with just 3 ingredients. All you need are some blueberries, cane sugar, and lemon juice. So grab your ingredients and let me show you guys how to make it. So all we need is 3 organic ingredients to make homemade blueberry preserves. So first we're going to need some blueberries, and you guys can use fresh or frozen, either works. And because it's blueberry season, and if you guys want blueberry picking and you have some soft or kind of mushy blueberries that aren't ideal for eating, they are perfect for making jam or preserves. But my blueberries from my farm box have been so good that I've just been eating them plain, so I'm going to use frozen ones today to make this preserves. And then we're just going to need some cane sugar and some lemon juice. You guys can use fresh lemon juice or you can use lemon juice from a bottle, either works. So we're going to be making blueberry preserves today, and if you guys are wondering what the difference between blueberry preserves and blueberry jam is, it's really not that much. So the only difference between jam and preserves is how big the fruit pieces are. So with jam, the fruit is going to be chopped finer and it's going to be mashed up, so you're really not going to get big pieces of fruit. But with preserves, you're actually going to get a little bit bigger pieces of fruit. So we're not chopping or cutting our blueberries or anything today. We're just going to leave them whole in the pot. So if you guys want blueberry jam instead of blueberry preserves, I just recommend cutting your blueberries. Now depending on how big they are, you could cut them in half or in quarters. And this will help mash them up a little bit more as they cook, creating a jam instead of a preserve, which will leave a little bit bigger pieces. So we're going to add our blueberries, cane sugar, and lemon juice into a small pot. So we're going to cook over medium heat until the sugar has dissolved. Then we're going to turn the heat to high and boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally. Then we're going to turn the heat back down to low and simmer for about 10 minutes or until the consistency is thick. The way I like to tell when jam is done is I like to run my spatula through the center of the pot. If it doesn't run right back into the center immediately, then you know it's done. So now that our preserves are done, we're just going to transfer them to a glass jar. And now we have homemade blueberry preserves with just 3 ingredients. These blueberry preserves are perfect for toast, waffles, pancakes, PB&Js, and more. Plus, you can even use this for baking. Use it inside your favorite thumbprint cookie recipe or also as a filling for cupcakes and layer cakes. These blueberry preserves will stay good in your fridge for about 2 weeks. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more better than store-bought recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.